This is really a Western design home. Of course, this window that is very unique as it designed. It brings lights from the outside. They put this kind of window. Isn't it perfect? Hello, my dear peeps. Welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete, no other than Alma Almonte Folco. So for today's video, my dear peeps, I am very excited to again show you a newly built home which is located here in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and of course, it is a Western design home. It is just recently finished, and the nicest part of this house that if you have a lot of cars, motorcycles, or a very expensive car, this home has its own covered garage. The covered garage is controlled by a remote control, so your car or all your vehicles are very safe. So the lot area of this property is 300 square meter and the floor area is 175 square meter. So, what are you waiting for? Tara! Alright, my dear lovely peeps, welcome to this semi-furnished home. So I am going to welcome you with this open space living area with this beautiful brand new couch that is just recently purchased, and this 72 inches TV with their 3 horsepower air conditioning. So also what I like from this house is that this property has a lot of lightings, and then the paint, the lights. This is really a Western design home. So what is the most attractive part of the kitchen area is just not only this 4-seater circle dining table, but of course the design of the kitchen, which is very spacious. As you can see, of course, this window that is very unique as it designed. It brings lights from the outside, and of course you can just open it like that, and then you can have the fresh air from outside. And this house comes with the refrigerator, which is brand new, and they have nice cabinets, which is this is from IKEA. And of course this Boston Bay gas range, it what makes this kitchen perfectly good for your wife or for yourself as well, or if you have a helper that loves to cook, or you yourself, you have very long kitchen area here. And now, my dear peeps, since this house has 4 bedrooms, first I'm going to show you the first room that we can consider it as a maid's quarter or can be your pantry, because this is very near to the kitchen area. But if you wanted it to be your pantry or your helper room, can be your office as well, you can convert this room anything you want. Since we have here a pantry, if you wanted to use that, I will show you first the garage area that you can park 2 to 3 cars. So if you have your grocery, you can just directly bring it inside from this closed garage as of the time. So this is very wide. I don't have the remote control to open it, but this is your parking area, which is covered, and you have this pull up and it's remote control, so you can park 2 to 3 cars here. And then I will show you the room for your guests, friends, or family. So this is the big spacious room here that has already a Boston Bay air condition, and we have a frame for your bed here, which is queen size, but we will be bringing the other bed, which is still in the other house. The way the window they created, that they don't want the owner itself, seems like he wanted or she wanted to have the light from outside getting into the house, so they put this kind of window. Isn't it perfect? Okay, so since this room is the second room in the house, we have also a common bathroom that your guests and your family can use, which is this one here. So when you enter, they have created this beautiful two thing here for your clothes, or can hang your towel, clothes, All right, so that's it. And then this is the bathroom already. Please come in. So this bathroom is the common bath of the house that has a very nice layout. As you can see, the window itself, the mirror. What I love it most is that the high ceiling part of this bathroom is very cozy, and it is basically designed like a hotel 5-star. So coming in from the garage and the first bedroom, now we're going to introduce you to the third bedroom of the home. So this is the third bedroom. Of course, this house has a similar layout from the first one, but the first bedroom was bigger. So this one as well is very nice. I really like, oh my God, I really like this. I love this window. And then have aircon already. So this is so nice. And of course, I like the most is this beautiful, what's this? Cabinets, which is lovely. Oh, they have a lot of space, front space for your clothing. We have also, in this house, they have a washing area. This is where the laundry area, and it has also a door. As you can see, you just have to open that, and then you can have your clothes hung outside. Before I'm going to introduce the master's bedroom, first, I would like to introduce this space here that your wife would love, that they can put her or your shoes. Not only that, but your Louis Vuitton bag or your most expensive bag, because this storage is intended for your nice clothes. Basically, this is belong to the master. So this is like a whole way for you to have your changed clothes. You can even put a door in there and then directly went to the masters. But before that, I will show you this beautiful high ceiling bathroom with a bathtub. Hi, let's go to the master's bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It comes with the bed frame now, and of course we have air conditioned built-in cabinet. So now I'm gonna show you the outside of the property, since this property is fence and gated, so you're safe, and it is along cemented road. Secondly, the property is clean title, so only one person to sign. So we're gonna use one of the nice window here in our sala so we can go out. So I'm gonna open this. So this is sliding door. You can just add any sort of protection if you wanted to. So when you go out from your sala, you can see this greenery out here. That is the garden part of the house. And you have a mango from the neighbor. There's no house in there. For watching Living in Dumaguete. So for today's vlog, that's all for today, my dear people. Thank you so much for supporting Living in Dumaguete. And of course, my dear peeps, I just wanted to tell you that I am very happy that you have subscribed to our channel. And please don't forget to tell your friends, family, and of course yourself to like, share, subscribe our channel. And I am very excited to again make the best vlog out here in Negros Oriental for you to see abroad. And even if you are here in the Philippines, if you wanted to view our beautiful and inexpensive and amazing property, please don't forget to contact. My contact is below. And once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete, Alma Almonte Fulco. Thank you guys. I love you.